go. So there's a big walking fridge there, and washing, and then when all the containers are empty, we're going to washing the containers here. And then from here, then the containers go in this one. And if anybody wants to wash a small pot, there's a small pot here, it needs a little washing. So this is a place where we're going to cook lots of prashadam and feed lots of people, because in this age of Kali, people need a lot of prashad to understand spiritual life. And also there's many school children need lots of prashad to understand spiritual life. And there's many old people, they also need lots of prashad before they take their next birth. And they also need prashad. And in fact, I think everybody needs prashad, because it's the Lord's blessing. And Lord Chaitanya preached mostly through prashad distribution and through the holy name. Occasionally he spoke a little bit of philosophy. So this is, we have a nice oven over here. People need lots of cake. And this we're going to produce lots of cake. And over this side, I've never looked in myself. This is where we can cook rice. A lot of rice. 2 of these. And rice, and the pots produces the sabji. The ovens produce the cake. The chapati making machine is coming a little later.
Hi Krishna. Oh, we have some prashadam for you from Parshuram Prabhu. Food for Life prashad. Hi Krishna, thank you so much. It's so kind of you. Hey Krishna. Food for Life prashadam cooked by Parshuram Prabhu for you.
Thank you so much. Oh wow, that's heavy. Thank you.
Hi Krishna, we got some prashadam for you.
Thanks so much. Thank you.
Hi Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
And so we can have a feast for everybody, because in this age, it's very likely on Wednesday they're deciding about lockdown in England again. And people need Krishna Prashad more than any other time ever. Hare Krishna.